Okay, now let us do question number 17. Cos x by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. So this integral is also of this type, right? So we'll have to make in this form. So here before that, let us consider sin x equal to t. Okay, to make it simpler, okay. Make it easy, let us consider sin x equal to t. So differentiation of sin x is cos x equal to dt by dx. So from here we'll get dt equal to cos x dx. So in place of cos x dx we can write dt, right? So therefore integration of cos x dx by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x equal to, so this part is dt, right? So I've written here dt divided by 1 minus sin x. So sin x I have considered t, so it will be 1 minus t into 2 minus t. So now let 1 by 1 minus t into 2 minus t is equal to a by 1 minus t plus b by 2 minus t. Now the process is same only. So we have to take the LCM now. Okay, so we'll get this 1 minus t into 2 minus t. So we'll get a into 2 minus t plus b into 1 minus t. So denominator is same, we can cancel it. So we'll get 1 equal to a into 2 minus t plus b into 1 minus t. So let us give this as equation 2. So the next step is what? We have to consider this as 0, right? Let 1 minus t equal to 0 and this 2 minus t equal to 0 to get the values of a and b. Okay, so we'll do that. So here also I have considered let 1 minus t equal to 0 and 2 minus t equal to 0. So from here we'll get t equal to 1 and t equal to 2. So now we'll put the values of t, okay, in equation to 1 by 1. So first let us put for 1. Okay, putting t equal to 1, what we'll get? 1 equal to, here we'll put, right? So t we have considered 1, so we'll get 2 minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. So here same thing, a into 2 minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. So this part 2 minus 1 is what? 1. 1 into a is a, and this part will be 0. 1 minus 1 0, 0 into b is 0. So we'll get a equal to 1. Now let us put t equal to 2, okay, in equation 2. So we'll get 1 equal to a, 2 minus 2 plus b into 1 minus 2. So from here this part will be 0, and what is remaining? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. That means equal to minus b, or b equal to minus 1. So I got the values of a and b. Now we'll put this in equation 1. Okay. So therefore 1 by 1 minus t into 2 minus t equal to, it was a by 1 minus t, right? So a we got 1 plus b by 2 minus t, and b we got minus 1. Now I have to integrate. So therefore dt by 1 minus t into 2 minus t will be integration of 1 by 1 minus t plus minus is minus, right? So just write minus 1 by 2 minus t dt. Now we'll separate. So we'll get integration of 1 by 1 minus t dt minus 1 by 2 minus t dt. So integration of 1 by t is what? Log t, and coefficient of t is minus 1. So you have to write here minus, okay? So minus log 1 minus t, then integration of 1 by 2 minus t. So 1 by t is log t only, right? And if coefficient of t is what? Minus 1. So this minus and this minus will become plus, okay? Log mod of 2 minus t plus c. Now let us put the value of t. So we'll get minus log 1 minus, and t we have considered sin x, right? So in place of t we'll write sin x plus log 2 minus sin x plus c. So this one we can write like this, log a minus log b, right? What's the formula? Log a minus log b, I've given before also, that is log a by b, right? So same thing, this is log a and this is log b, so log a by b. So log mod of 2 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x plus c. Okay, this is the answer.